Week 10, question 2 asks you to fill in the blanks. So in the first instance, we're calculating a CPM. Don't forget that CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions, and here's your formula. Cost divided by impressions generated in thousands. So here we just simply need to use the formula and plug in our information. So here we have a cost of 15,000 divided by our impressions generated in thousands. Now, the question really should have said daily here. So we've got 167,000 cars passing by this outdoor billboard on a daily basis, and we're calculating this over a 4-week period. So we need to make some adjustments here. We need to take 167,000. We need to first of all multiply it by 1.35, because as we saw in the presentation this week, yes, we have 167,000 cars, but there's on average more than one person in the car, and a typical multiplier that you use in outdoor advertising is 1.35. So on average there's 1.35 people in every car. And we need to multiply that by 28. The resulting number is going to be divided by 1,000 and then put up here in the denominator. Because again, what you're trying to do is get your impressions generated in thousands. And the resulting number will be 6,312.60. Executing this operation, and your answer will be a CPM of $2.38. You're paying $2.38 for every 1,000 impressions. Okay, down to Oprah Magazine. We are calculating again CPM here for readership of 2.3 million per month. Again, using our formula, we've got a cost of 90,000. How many impressions are we generating in thousands? Well, you take 2.3 million and you divide it by 1,000. 2,300 to get your CPM of $39.13. You're paying $39.13 per 1,000 impressions. The online leaderboard ad at Globe and Mail, we're asked to calculate the audience reached, which means your total impressions. So here we're going to work the other way. If your CPM is $37 and your cost is 15,000, what are your impressions in thousands? So we take 15,000 and divide by 37 to solve for impressions of 405.4054. Multiply that by 1,000, because again that's expressed in thousands, and you get 405,405. The last question asks you, why might outdoor advertising have a cheaper CPM than print or online ads? Now these numbers are fairly realistic, give or take, and generally you do see a much lower CPM in outdoor, and it's simply because we typically see a less captive audience. When you're in your vehicle driving by a billboard, you are less capable of paying close attention to the messaging than you are if you're reading a magazine or reading a website or what have you.